You've reached the end of the video. Congratulations! Thank you so much for watching. Just a reminder, the Rumble God creates a variety of content including gaming, tutorials, life vlogs, and, of course, the wonderful world of marimba music. His students often showcase their amazing skills. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, ensuring you never miss a thing. Take a moment to check out the official website, find fantastic merchandise for sale, fun games, and his unique virtual marimba with guides on playing easy-to-learn songs. On the screen in front of you, you can either click the playlist to continue watching the band or series, or you can click on the latest upload button to see what is new. You can also click on the Rumble God's logo to subscribe directly. Please also leave a comment. Your feedback is important and he loves engaging with you and he responds very fast. You can also follow the Rumble God on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and Threads. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day. Moom, how does he say it? End 234?